Good morning, Leonard Longhorns. I hope this message finds you all healthy. I hope you are taking care of each other. I hope you are practicing social distancing to keep yourselves and your family members safe and coronavirus free. Um, your Leonard family misses you. We hope you are all doing well and staying healthy and safe during this time away. I wanted to come to you to make sure we all are in understanding about the expectations for learning at home. You can see on the video here that I am on the Fort Worth ISD website, has a lot of information. You need to stay in contact with that Fort Worth ISD website. It provides constant updates. So the expectations are um, learning at home. We're not on vacation. We are learning from home. That is our expectation. Your modules are in Edgenuity for your core courses. You have one assignment per week to complete from your core courses. And your electives, they have posted in some different areas. All of your teachers have been in contact or attempted contact with you. Keep up with your email, keep in contact through your Google Classrooms. It is very important during this time to stay connected. The final 6 weeks and the second semester will be pass or fail. So we've got to see some effort from you in order to move you on. We want you all to be taking care of each other and doing your best from home. But most most importantly, stay in contact with your teacher so they can provide you help and guidance as needed. We know it is a difficult time and an unprecedented time for all of us. So just do your best. Okay, speaking of student password, um, Mr. Halliburton and Miss Austin are your go-to people for technology or password assistance from 9 to 3, Monday through Friday. Make note here of Miss Austin's phone number and Mr. Halliburton's phone number. They can provide you help with any technology or password assistance issues that you may be having. Um, so here is the Fort Worth ISD website. I wanted to make sure everybody was very clear on how to get to the Learning from Home page. When you land on the Fort Worth ISD website, you'll see COVID-19, and when you hover over that, the Learning from Home tab pops up. You can click on that and it will take you to the Learning at Home Student and Family Quick Links. Learning at Home Curriculum at a Glance. Here is your student portal and in Spanish. Okay, so that is a quick access. FortWorthISD.org/learning at home. Let's go back to the website, or maybe it's right here. The meals. All meals to go beginning next week will only be on Tuesday and Thursday. No, Monday and Thursday. No, Tuesday. My apologies. The first distribution day under this new format will actually be on Tuesday, April 14th, because Monday is a student holiday. The second meal distribution day will be Thursday, April 16th. The regular Monday and Thursday distribution cycle will begin the following week. Okay, we are trying to follow CDC guidelines, and here are some of the reasons why that has changed. Okay, so I know we have been handing out thousands and thousands of meals, and we want you all to be able to take advantage of that. So please make note of those changes for next week and moving forward. Okay, again, I want to continue to reiterate the expectations for learning from home. It is a requirement. Please follow the expectations from your teachers. get on Edgenuity, complete your assignments. They really don't take that long. Um, and be in communication with your teachers. We want to wish you a good afternoon, a happy Easter, and I'll be talking to you again soon.